Hello my beautiful people, this is your girl Claudia and I'm back with another quick review. Before I begin my review, I do want to share with you that all of my reviews are based on my opinion, interest, and recommendation. So with that being said, let's get started. As you know, Galentine's Day is drawing near. And what is Galentine's Day? Galentine's Day is that day you get to share with your favorite girlfriends over brunch, lunch, or dinner. Now, I decided this year to do a beautiful brunch spread for my girlfriends. Not only the spread is going to be beautiful, the drink is to die for. This drink that I'm going to show you that was shown to me by my niece, it is what?
Hi YouTube, a classy mocktail slash cocktail.
That's right, a classy mocktail slash cocktail. So let's get right on into it. I truly hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And remember to enjoy your Galentine's Day with your favorite girlfriends. And also, stay safe and be blessed. Until next time.